Hey everyone, okay, this time I found something insane again, and I mean it. If you've ever opened Blender and immediately closed it because it looked like rocket science, then this website is going to blow your mind. It's called Meshy AI, and it just made me, a complete 3D noob, create a full 3D model of Deadpool with just a prompt. Yup, no modeling, no sculpting, no coloring, nothing, just a prompt. Step 1, head over to Google and type Meshy AI. Click on the official site, make a free account, and you're in. Step 2, let the prompt magic begin. So I typed Deadpool. That's it, no fancy word. Deadpool. That's it, no fancy words. And Meshy was like, say less. In a few minutes, boom, full 3D Deadpool. Next, pick the model you like, click continue, and in few moments you will have a fully colored model. Want to animate? Click on the colored mesh, then click on rig done. That's it. Now choose from many animation option. Simple, that's it. Step 3, want it anywhere. Once your model is done, you can export it as FBX, GLB, OBJ, or open it in Blender, because it's paid to download. Yep, paid. Final thoughts. Meshy is like the AI twin of Blender, but 1000% easier, faster, and honestly, smarter. Whether you're an artist, a developer, or just someone who wants to see their imagination in 3D, this tool is your new best friend. So yeah, I, a total beginner, created Deadpool in 3D. Imagine what you can do. Go give Meshy a try. It's free, it's fun, and it's absolutely wild. That's it for today. Hit that like button if you want more AI magic.